YoWIE Tech is a mechanical and a manufacturing activity for our young YoWIEs. What they're doing is they're actually making a key tag. It's got YoWIE 2023 engraved, pressed into it, and they can engrave their name or stamp their name into the back of it. The aim of the activity is to, I guess, open the opportunity to the girls that engineering is not just about maths and physics, but there's also a very heavy technical component to it, and there's also a technical stream. So the reason it's called YoWIE Tech is in case girls would like to go into the technical stream of engineering rather than the full professional engineering stream through a degree program. So YoWIE is open to girls from Year 8 to Year 12, and it's to open doors and open minds to the opportunities that engineering offers as a profession.